I'm Dr. Dan, and we're going to discuss a little bit about cholesterol. Now, you know that cholesterol has something to do with heart disease. We've heard that since the 70s. So, when your cholesterol is climbing, what can you do? Now, the medical profession, of course, has some powerful cholesterol-lowering meds, Lipitor for one. But what you got to know is that Lipitor and similar types of medications will also interfere with your body's ability to utilize CoQ10. CoQ10 is one of the key components in the mitochondria that helps produce energy for the cells. So sometimes people will get muscle aches and pains in different parts of their body from using these drugs. So if you're not really keen on using cholesterol-lowering meds, and maybe just have a genetic predisposition to have high cholesterol, what can you do? Well, some people have had fairly good success with taking herbal preparations. A couple that we like are Apex Cholistar and Thorn Research Perfusia. Now again, what we like people to do is to test, treat, and then retest. And if these things are helping control your cholesterol, then that's great. Now, triglycerides are also part of this too. And the Cholistar, we haven't seen the big effects on lowering triglycerides, but we have with Perfusia. So if your triglycerides are also climbing, you probably want to be using that Perfusia as well. So cholesterol is not the enemy, it just needs to be in balance. It's really key in several hormone pathways and instrumental in some membrane functions too. So keeping it at proper level is good. Sometimes we see folks with cholesterol levels like 125. The medical profession has agreed on 200 as the top limit, but they don't seem to talk about a lower limit. But 120. We see a lot of this, and so we send them back to the doctor and say, look, perhaps we need to lower some of the cholesterol med, because that's not going to be enough to produce the hormone effects that you need. So there are a few basic tips about cholesterol, and of course we want you to make sure you keep your inflammation down, and you can check on Vitamin Pro on our inflammation pages to get some clues about that. So thanks a lot for listening. Hopefully that was helpful.